Hello, in front of me I've got Sennheiser RS 165. In this video I'll show you what the packages includes. As you can see right here, we've got this radio headphones with the stand to charge the batteries that are included in headphones. Then we've got this cable. We can connect to power outlet in our wall and then to the stand, thanks to which we can charge the batteries. Next we've got double jack cable, thanks to which we can connect the stand with many devices like TVs, laptops or the sound systems, and then we can redirect the signal to our headphones. Next we've got different adapters for different countries to connect it to power outlets in wall. Then we've got this safety guide, CD disc with manuals and of course box. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.